Good morning. It's day 2 at the Getaway house, and last night my contacts broke, and it's the only pair of contacts I brought with me, so I'm gonna be four-eyed for today, unfortunately. But we just woke up and we're about to make some brekkie. We're about to break fast. Making breakfast. We're gonna make waffles, eggs, brown eggs with tomatoes, spinach, leftover spinach from yesterday. No, I'm cooking fresh spinach, but I saved some for today. And sausage with cheese. And the exciting part, got some champagne for the pain, okay? Got some champagne, some Bel Air, and we're gonna make it with orange juice. This plus this is mimosa. So we're gonna have some breakfast cocktail or whatever you call it. So, anywho, last night we were just telling stories, having some girl talk, some girl time, and today I looked at the map and I really feel like doing paddle boating, even though I'm like gonna be a little nervous because I don't know how to swim, but I'm gonna do paddle boating today, and hopefully, and a mountain. I feel like we were gonna do a shooting range, but we're just like, ooh, like we can do a shooting range when we get back at home. I want to explore more of nature because we don't have mountains like around where I live. So yeah, definitely want to do more of that. We just made the bed. We just made the beautiful bed, fresh and new. And yeah, pretty much just watch me make some breakfast. Yeah, I'm gonna make some breakfast. You guys should see how dark it is at night. Like last night I didn't record, but if you see how dark it is at night, oh my gosh. We wanted to get the map from the car because we left it in the car. Child, I felt like I was in a scary movie. But no, seriously, I love nature. But it's just that I don't really have a lot of nature stuff around. Well, kind of, but not like this. But yeah, I like a lot of tomatoes in my eggs. And Sherry does too. So, only thing is that we didn't have onions, so I'm going to get the minced onions that I bought. Those seasoned, and hopefully that does well. Breakfast is ready. I don't know, whichever one you want. Aww. We got eggs. Oh, I didn't even show them. We got waffles, eggs, and sausage. And I have a surprise, like I said before. Mimosas. Yes. Yes. We have mimosas. Which is gonna be fun. So I'm gonna bring the cups out. We're gonna eat some breakfast. Popping some champagne. Ooh. Celebrating life, you know.
Like gunshots.
Yay! We're gonna think gunshots, right? Okay. Ready? How much champagne do you want? Good to keep working. Alright. Who next champagne? Let's go. Yo, you're wicked. Okay. Yeah, the fuzz is gonna make it go down, but yay, cheers to I don't know. Right. Every moment is a Polaroid moment, but this place I had to bring a Polaroid. Like, so cute. It's gonna develop, and I'll show you guys. Hey, so I'm checking in and we finished breakfast, we showered, we're ready for the day. We're going to the lake and then we're gonna go to the mountains. I just finished taking some photos in this little cute setup here. So it's like kind of hot today. Yesterday wasn't as hot as today, so I might have to change out of this and wear something else because I'm gonna be sweating. But yeah, anyways, I'll catch you guys when we step out the house because it is 4:49. So we gotta go before sunset because it's really dark, and when it gets dark here, it's dark. Like you can't even see no street lights, nothing. So I'm looking through this book that they have with tiny homes. You can explore other tiny homes, the architecture of cabins, cocoons, and hideouts. And I'm about to start exploring tiny homes. It's so cute. It's just like a whole bunch of houses, architecture. They're like Scandinavian style homes, which I love. That's like my favorite style home. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. Like, look at this one, for instance. Like, so cute. Cute. Very detailed. Alright, so I'm about to change into this shirt because we're going to the lake. So I'm gonna wear something cozy. I've been taking the cutest Polaroid photos, you guys. I'm still trying to figure out why my Polaroid isn't, let's see, it was pitch black, isn't developing that well, but I mean, they're alright. They're so cute. This is like in the middle of, it was woods, but it was sunset. I don't know why it's so dark. These two are so cute. I love these two. Like, super cute. I'm obsessed. But yeah, so we're about to go to the lake. So catch you guys when I get there. So we just got to Hunter Mountain. I thought it was gonna be like a trail, but I think Hunter Mountain's more of like a skiing spot. And they have zip lining. But this is the mountains. Drive in here. Sorry. Drive in here was really gorgeous. We're so high up, the elevation. Yeah. We are so high up, the elevation is like, it's fog, it's cloudy. But ziplining through mountains would have been so perfect. Like if it was open, I don't know if it's like closed, but ziplining through mountains would have been amazing. Like that would have been a vibe. Because the only places I really ziplined through is on top of trees. But imagine in mountains, like that would have been so dope. Like I wish it was open. I would have been like, let's just do it. Not even planning it. Very impromptu. But yeah, I thought it would be like a trail, like a place to like be. But I guess it was a nice drive because it's not really. So much activities. Oh yeah, we should. We gotta set the campfire. Yeah, yeah. This is like pretty much. Oh, okay. This is a nice like view in the back. But this is pretty much the Hunter Mountain. Yeah. Yeah, we do have to go back to start the campfire because if we come back like last night and come back late, we're not going to do it.
It's already a half-an-hour drive.
Oh yeah, and there's no street lights, so yeah, this is a nice, really nice place. So we're back from Hunter Mountain, and I'm about to make tacos because it's Taco Tuesday. So, and Sherry's setting up the fire because we're gonna eat s'mores right after we eat tacos. So yeah. And ironic, tomorrow's Cinco de Mayo, so that's kind of interesting. I'm gonna put all of this inside, and we're gonna make some tacos.
Look at the s'mores now.
Sherry's setting up the fire. Last night yesterday, it was kind of a fail. But yay, the fire is on. Congrats, Sherry. Good job.
Congratulations to me.
They gave us a whole s'mores kit. I hope it's complimentary with a long stick. Let me just take it out. So I'm guessing this is this is the chocolate. And oh, I love marshmallows.
Oh, I think it was the right.
Yeah. Alright, let's start. Alright, so let me put pierce it through. Let me put this and this and this. And then pierce. Hopefully it doesn't like.
You do it. I thought you roast the marshmallow first, then you put.
I just roast it all together.
Oh.
Or you want to do it like that?
I know.
Because I like my chocolate melted. Oh, you want to just roast the marshmallow?
You get the marshmallow.
Yeah, true. Okay.
You roast it first.
Yeah, true. You're right. Burning out. Ooh, that sounds crunchy. So we just finished eating s'mores. Our fire's already down. I don't know how other people are keeping their fire up, but got tacos, Taco Tuesday. We got cheddar cheese, guac. You didn't open the guac yet. And sour cream. Oh, and diced
Tomatoes.
Diced tomatoes, yeah. And we just decided to be outside today because it's a little. Yesterday we were inside, so we're just gonna eat tacos.
Can you open this, please?
Oh, the guac. I should have brought a spoon, yeah. And yeah, it's pretty much our night. Open the guac. Oh, there's a bear. This walk is gonna be amazing. It's getting dark. But I feel like when we're outside, once it's already dark, it's not that scary. But when you're outside, when you try to go outside, when we're inside, it's like scary. Oh my gosh, I think I need to get like
Pop it.
Good morning. Cooking one last breakfast before we go. Same as yesterday's, but we just added the avocados. Oh, I'm gonna miss this place. All right, so we came to an end of the tiny home with the wheels on it. Bye bye getaway house, tiny homes. I love tiny homes. I want to start exploring more tiny homes. That's gonna be fun to do. We're all ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it if you're feeling nice, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. It was really fun. It was fun. It was an experience being in the middle of the woods. And yeah. Bye. You guys, I'm filling up gas for like the first time. Look, I'm proud of myself. I don't know what I'm doing, but I just keep pumping it. If you don't know, I'm a Jersey girl, so we don't fill up gas. We got someone doing it for us. I'm too excited for this.